This is Tinari Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss very important news, especially about tariff. USA new government came and they are trying to create a balance of trade between United States and other countries. And most of the country initially thought negative, but now they are understanding that it has a benefit to do two-way business, which will help not only American people but also other countries. The, I don't. This is very important to understand that not everybody is your enemy. The world is just simply a human being. Different human being has different way of style. So China, for some reason, did not accept this new boundaries or this new cooperation, two-way cooperation. And the sad news is that instead of talking to each other, many times Trump asked China to come and talk, but they refused. They thought it's going war or something. I think China has to understand this. Trump has never started any war, or not he willing to do this. But China is. Let's not go to negative route. He's simply asking you to come on and let's talk to each other. Go ahead, talk. We all are human being, spread by one Father all over the world. We are one family. So let's talk to each other and resolve our any differences through dialogue every day. Do not just give statement on channels. This is very dangerous. Well, the world has seen many wars, many destruction. Millions of people are butchered on the streets. Let's not go back for there. Nobody gonna start war. You're misunderstanding what he wants. His people were losing jobs. His productivity was going down. The Trump administration was willing that you all come down and let's do two-way. Let us also export to you, and you also come to. Go ahead, talk. And if you continue to talk, you will resolve a lot of issues. We all are human beings, one family spread all over the world. Any differences of religious or any other we can resolve through sharing knowledge and sharing everything. So let's come back to peace. Let's come back to peace. One family under one God. Take care. Bye.